Did you drink much yesterday?
Yes, we drank too much.
How much money did he win in the lottery?
He made a lot of money.
How many pets do you own?
I own 2 pets, a cat and a dog.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Does Peter have many friends?
Yes, he has a lot of friends.
Did you take much money on the trip?
No, we didn't take so much money.
Is it too hot outside today?
No, it's sunny, but it is not too hot.
Are you feeling so tired after the long hike?
Yes, I'm very tired.
Was the movie good? No, it was quite boring, actually.
Are you pretty good at playing the guitar?
Yes, I'm pretty skilled at it.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.